Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Sunday, September 11, 2022. Yes, an auspicious day, but a beautiful boat. We've just finished a full preservation on our 1957 15-foot Cadillac Seville. The Cadillac Boat Company existed only for a few years. They bought their hulls from Wolverine, cold molded plywood hulls. This is perhaps amongst the most original hull and boat we have ever had in the shop. She rides on her teeny trailer, balloon fenders and all, fully restored. People ask, well, how much wood did you replace? Well, you know, at Snake Mountain Boat Works, we try not to replace any. But this plank right here, somebody had dropped something heavy right there and punched all the way through. So this one strip of wood was replaced, and that's the only replacement on the entire boat. Mickey Dupuy and his crew down at DNS Custom Metal Restoration did a wonderful job on the hardware. Fran Secor, Otago, New York, did an incredible job of restoring this 1957, her original engine. Johnson's Super Seahorse. She has 35 horses. She's gonna go, this little boat's gonna go like holy hell. We have the final hookups still remaining, and little things like straightening the stern pole out. But you can see as you look inside, she is really in great shape. One of the aspects of this boat that really surprised us, this is her original upholstery. How do I know? Well, yeah, some of these Cadillacs, see if we can flip this over. The Cadillac Boat Company inserted pins in the seat bases, and those pins are there so that they lock in the cushion. This upholstery is absolutely the way it was the day it left the factory in Cadillac, Michigan. She's got beautiful little cubbies, both fore and aft, original hinges, original pulls, original steering wheel, original start panel. Yes, she's a left-hander, just like me. Original windshield. How many 1957 plexi windshields do you see in this kind of condition? And when you look at the hull, I mean, yes, we had to do a complete preservation. We stripped her to bare wood. But other than that, there were no major repairs. We still have two things to do. Hook up the electronics for the engine, and as you can see on the front of the fenders, the teeny decal is missing and will go on. Step pads are original. All the rub rails and everything original. The shifting mechanism, the controls, exactly as was on here the day she left the factory. Those are the original controls. Fran repainted them as he did the engine. I believe we did have to replace the starting switch. It was shot. But that's about it. And go out and find one. Go out and find a double cockpit 15-foot Cadillac Seville in any condition, let alone in this condition. So yes, this boat will be going on the market. She could be yours. Give us a call at at Snake Mountain Boat Works. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.